In the heart of the prehistoric forest, Passa stumbles upon an unexpected find nestled among the foliage. A lone dinosaur egg, waiting to reveal its secrets. With a gentle crack, the egg breaks, revealing a tiny creature unlike anything Passa has ever seen. Its delicate form trembles as it takes its first breaths, filling the air with wonder. Passa wraps Dean in her warm embrace, the other possums encircling them in a protective gesture. They become his family, his possum kin, teaching him their ways of survival and love. Dean darts across the towering branches, mirroring the possum's nimble movements. In his heart, he feels like one of them, unaware of his true nature. The silence of the forest is disrupted as Dean leans closer to the still lake, curious eyes widening at the reflection staring back, sharp teeth, scaly skin, and a profound realization dawning. Amongst the towering forms of his kind, Dean stands, feeling both awe and trepidation. This encounter unravels the truth of his existence, begging him to embrace his heritage. Dean stands at the threshold, his gaze meeting Passa's eyes filled with understanding. The bond they share bears the weight of gratitude as he prepares to venture towards his destiny. Dean's departure doesn't leave behind bitterness or resentment. The forest creatures watch him with eyes filled with admiration, gratefulness for his courage to follow his own path. Amongst his true kin, Dean stands tall, his chest swollen with pride. The possum he used to be is only a fragment of his past, a testament to the strength of his spirit. From her perch upon a sturdy branch, Passa gazes at Dean, her heart swelling with a mix of pride and bittersweet contentment. She knows she has played an intricate part in shaping his destiny. Dean, the dinosaur with possum roots, extends a clawed hand towards Passa, silently thanking her for the love and guidance that led him to his true home. In the ancient forest, a new harmony unfolds. Possums and dinosaurs coexist peacefully, understanding that it is the acceptance of differences that makes the forest thrive.